Is the Finland government is about to release Simon Ekpa? We go find out for this video where they come from. One of our brother where they for inside Finland. My people, they say that Anioma state is here to stay, as the Senate House don't finally approve them, so that Anioma state will come join the Southeast. I go play you the videos, may you watch as it they happen. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us for all our social media handles so that you will get our updates back to back. Stay tuned.
Biafran brothers, my Biafran beloved brothers, I love you guys. Make una no worry. Simon Ekpa Joko. Hey, my prime minister. Obato Obie. Ijele woke. The dragon himself. Last, now man you be. Now man you be. But we are not going to tell Biafrans waiting they happen. Make una go. You know say una too dey talk at the house. The truth is this. Amen. Ndị ba is my no man. Ihe chidela odegie. Nigeria will not see what is coming. They won't. Now, those Adadio Ramadan that you say, hey, we went to see Obatobie. Obatobie told us to fall back. Now you can see Obatobie. Now you can even go and visit Obatobie. Why have you people not gone to visit him now? Before, when they were trying his case, you see them in Finland, you think maybe they are going there for, to sympathize with Obatobie, not knowing that they are going there to give Nigerian government details of what is happening. Because Nigerian government, no, they here. They are the one feeding the Nigerian government too. They are the one feeding Nigerian government. Guys, bro, these people, they are wicked. Anadio Ramma, Vam. Okay, these people, they heartless. They are feeding their enemy of their own brother's case. Why did Musa not come to Finland? Why did all these generals where you see today, where they shout, Simon was removed, the Southeast has become peaceful? Why did they not come to Finland? They were using their self, because if they come to Finland, they practically may not go, because Nigeria has now sent somebody to represent them in court. And the heat will get intense. They no Greek come. They can't send IPOB. Why these people don't see any reasonable person now? Because Nigerian government has paid huge amount of money to Finland to do this abracadabra judgment. I don't want to go deep into that. That's why I don't really like to talk about him. But what will hit Nigeria, soon, when I go see him, just calm down. Somebody will tell you it's cushioned, be cushioned, Calm down. Today I'm very excited because of the news I heard. So please, Simon is doing very well. No matter what, we are heading home. I ain't here to joke. You think maybe most of us don't know what we're doing or we don't have a job. At least you could see I'm in my own place of work. But you see this fight to freedom, push to freedom, Nadia will go die. Thank you, Biafrans. May God bless you people. I love you guys. See you in my next video.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, share immediately so other people will get the information, and don't forget to follow this channel. Let me bring this video from Ned Woko so that you go hear what in talk concerning waiting the apple for Southeast and concerning the Anioma state creation. Watch the video.
On the floor of the Senate, and you have argued with your colleagues the need for an Anioma state, and don't even begin the conversation around marginalization, because that's the first thing, because people will say we have Southwest 6 states, South 6 states, Northeast 6 states, North Central 6 states, Northwest 7 states, but Southeast 5 states. Is that part of the agenda to fix the Southeast that seems to be smaller in terms of the number of states, or what?
Well, almost just over a year ago, I had a meeting with the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, where I discussed about the problems of Southeast, the insecurity in Southeast. What do we do to address it? And he knows the problems, and he also has an idea. The whole idea is that there should be some level of equity extended to the Igbos of Southeast by having an additional state. It wasn't going to be an easy task, to create one, but it is doable. And I'm happy that we have come this far. The point is this: even at that time, it was understood that the problems of Southeast, the agitations of the youths of Southeast, the killings there, the referring to the ESN groups and ESN and IPOB and the rest of them. These are young people who have come up to say that they are fighting for freedom because they are marginalized. And one of the areas that they've all spoken about and against is the fact that they are the only zone. Southeast is the only zone in Nigeria that has 5 states. Why is that? Why was it done intentionally to undermine them? Of course, yes. And from engaging those youths, it became so obvious that if a step is taken in creating one state, just one state, to bring it apart with the 5 other zones, let's leave Northwest out of this now, at least bring it apart to the 4 other zones, then something would have been done for them. Yes, they are clamoring for different things, but I mean, not least, of course, the release of Nnamdi Kanu. They're asking for it. We know that is something that has to be done. You were just saying
Nnamdi Kanu to be
oh yes, yeah, of course.
Why do you think so?
Nnamdi Kanu has been in custody for some time now. I believe that he has been held unjustly. Many people feel that way.
As a lawyer, do you think so?
Oh yes.
That the judicial process is unjust?
Yes. Yeah, no, it has been. There's a lot of delays in prosecuting him and all that. If you want to get him tried and convicted, get on with it. But this is a guy who has been held unjustly aside, for so many months.
And the Buhari government started it.
Oh, yeah, I'm not talking about this government.
Trial. So the point I'm making now.
I'm talking about the previous government under Buhari when
it's facing a judicial process right now.
Yes.
Saying it's just because the argument is that there should be a political solution, maybe a null prosecution. Prosecution should be established on that for the case to be withdrawn. But there are those who say, well, there are allegations and it's left for the law for him to have his day in court, which is in process.
But as you know, there has been some pronouncements by the Federal High Court, which has not been respected. So his incarceration is the main reason for the crisis in Southeast.
The crisis started before he was even arrested.
No.
The killings, the burning of police station, the killing of police officers and all whatnot.
Well, look, the problem in Southeast is very different from what is said in the Northeast or Northwest and all those areas. The problem in the Southeast has to do with the perceived injustice by governments, successive governments. So what needs to be done? And one of it's why I'm here today, talking about the creation of states to make up the number up to 5. And then you have the release of Nnamdi Kanu. By the time you do these 2 things, I am almost certain that peace will return to Southeast.
Let me ask you this question.
I have spoken to so many youths in from Southeast, and they have assured me that that they are prepared to be engaged by us, by the leadership. When this is done, they don't want to die. The youths don't want to die. They want to go back to schools. They want to go back to their jobs. All they want is some level of respect and acknowledgement by the nation, by the government of Nigeria.
I want to...
People, now so it happen, and I will say more carry and come give una. I beg, make you not forget to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section, because a lot of people are fighting hard so that this Anioma state creation will zone again to the south side. They say they don't want to make the carry and come for southeast. You see what Yoruba media are doing. trying to convince our people to run away from their own brothers. This is very bad. But however, I think that this Anioma cases, they are going to zone it to Southeast, because if they not zone it to Southeast, creating itself is going to create another problem. I beg, share the video and drop your own opinion.